Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is a hotel and room tour of the InterContinental Presidente Puebla, where we stayed at. Once you walk in, you'll find this seating area that was showcasing paintings from students of the Escuela Mexicana de Arte down, and this beautiful dome ceiling, which later in the video I'll show you is where the club level lounge is if you book a room with that offer. To the right, you'll find the front desk, which was slightly decorated for the holidays when we stayed in November. Behind the front desk, you'll also find the pool that also has a couple of outdoor games and lots of chairs for lounging. Nearby, you'll also find the business center that has a couple of conference rooms. Okay, if instead of going towards the front desk in the lobby, you were to go to the opposite side of the hotel, you'd find this area that has a bar, a couple of restaurants, shops, and offices such as a notary office, and also a boutique and tabaqueria. Claro que sí. And right down here is their restaurant where we had breakfast on our second day. Not sure if it's included with every room you book, but it was included with ours. On the first floor, but towards the elevators, you'll find the spa, and further down the hallway, you'll also find the gym, which was pretty nice. It had 2 stationary bikes, 4 treadmills, 2 ellipticals, and a couple of dumbbell and weight machines at the bottom. There was also a stretching area that was half outdoors, and since we were there in November, it was insanely cold in the morning. A word of caution, if you're not from Mexico nor used to the high altitude such as the ones you'll experience in Puebla, take it easy with your workouts, or if you go just as hard, just accept that you'll be humbled and it has nothing to do with you. And this is speaking from personal experience, but I digress. I really like the hallways in the hotel because of how open they are since they had no windows. As you can see, our room was the family room suite, and once you come in, you'll find a living room with a TV remote and an AC remote, which as you'll see is not central AC, and every room has their own old school air conditioning unit. I'm not complaining because it did get very cold in here. Behind the living room, you'll find the kitchen area, but before we get there, I do want to show you guys the terrace. So at a first glance, it doesn't seem like much, but the next day I woke up early and went to the gym, and when I came back, I was able to watch the sunrise over the volcanoes Popocatépetl and Iztaccíhuatl. Back inside to the kitchen and dining area, you'll find 2 complimentary bottles of water, 2 cups with stuff for tea and coffee, as well as a microwave, coffee machine, some empty cupboards, and a mini fridge. Right across the living room area, you'll find a bathroom with a walk-in shower and various toiletries that I think speak for themselves. Claro que sí. Sí, señor. This family suite came with 2 rooms. The first one is one with 2 queen beds that were super comfortable. It does not have a TV though, but it does have a large closet with a few amenities such as a bathrobe, slippers, and laundry bag. And you'll also find your own separate AC unit in here and access to the terrace. The second room has a king bed with its own AC and TV, as well as a lot of storage unit around and inside the closet. And it also has its own balcony with the same great view as the terrace minus the surrounding wall. This room has its own bathroom, very similar to the one outside, and with the same toiletries, but with a bathtub instead. Remember how I said breakfast was included with our stay? Well, this is a glimpse of the breakfast buffet you can find in the first floor of the hotel. Again, not sure if it's included in every stay, but it was with our room. We also found out that there was a club level lounge right where the ceiling dome is, and you can find snacks during the day, and they also have breakfast if you book a room that includes club level access such as ours. Here's a glimpse of what I had for breakfast on our last day. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to stick around for the next video, which is everything we did during our time in Oaxaca. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!